Hey, hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how to assign people to manage your ad accounts on Meta Facebook Manager. So what you have to do, you have to go to your Meta business settings like this. You just go to business.facebook.com. If you're not facing this interface, you can click this gear icon on business settings. Okay, the first step you have to do, you have to add the people. So you can click these users and then click these people, and then on the right corner here you can see add people. So you just add the email address of your staff or your colleague or your friend to manage your ad account. After that, you follow what Meta asks you, and then wait for the people to accept your invitation. After that, you can go to this account on the left side, as you can see, add accounts here. Then you should choose which ad account you want to share with your friend or your staff, etc. And then you can click this add people. If the people or the particular person already accept your invitation, it should be shown here. You just press on this and then choose the control of this person. You can inactive or active some particular option. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, or you can just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Bye.